I also wanted to get a status check from you on some of the conversations that were underway when you were in Davos. You did meet with investors there who were looking at the possibility of setting up facilities in India and particularly in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Has anything moved forward on some of those conversations? I mean, TCS is one decision that's been done. Anything more that we can expect?
Well, in the next 100 days, there'll be quite a few announcements coming out from our conversations at Davos. It's across the logistics sector, in the IT sector, with private universities coming to set up schools rather in Andhra Pradesh. So there's a lot of excitement across sectors and we are ready.
Shipbuilding was another possible sector that you were hoping to draw in investment. Is there an update there as well?
I mean, I think at this juncture, I'll be speculating. So you should wait for an announcement and you'll be the first person to know it.
We look forward to that. But, if I may, how much of the announcement is linked to the competitive federalism that we are seeing? I mean, you were part of 6 states pitching your story to foreign investors, to global investors in Davos. They're trying to get pretty much the same universe, the same catchment of companies to set up shop, whether it's in Telangana or Karnataka or even in the north in states like UP, etc. How much of these incentives or subsidies for industry that you're willing to put on the table has to do with the fact that it's a fairly competitive environment? Have you been pushed to offer these sweeteners to draw in investment?
See, we're no longer competing with other states. We're also competing with other countries. It's very important that we understand that. Vietnam plays a very important role in electronics manufacturing. So an investor who's looking at to invest in this part of the world is going to compare countries and then compare states. So it's important that we compete at that level. And I believe that this is very good. Competition is always good and we learn from each other as states. And, some states have specific strengths and certain companies sort of go in that direction. And Andhra Pradesh has its own unique competitive advantage. And that's what we're showcasing at this juncture.